How to hide online active status in Messenger. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Messenger application on your device and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface where will be your chat box or the conversations with your friends. So in order to hide online active status, you need to first tap on the 3-bar horizontal line of the left upper corner. And from over here, you have to tap on the settings option, which is at the right hand side of your ID name. And after that, you'll be able to see the active status option. Simply tap on that. So here are two options, show when you are active and show when you are active together. You need to turn off the show when you are active option at first. And you can set it over here. This choice of option depends upon for how much time you want to hide the active status. You can set it for 1 hour, 8 hours, or you can also choose for custom. And once you're done, you can go for pause. And after doing that, your active status will be hidden. So this is how you hide online active status in Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.